Have sifted through pages upon pages of the Sephora gift sets and have found you the top ones to get that are $100 or less. So let's go! However, there are some things that we need to go over first. Okay, so number one, this is a great time for you to be selfish and go shopping for yourself, because this time of year, the brands are putting together so many gift sets with such great value. So whether you're new to skincare and you want to try something out without making a big investment into buying into a certain brand, or if you're a seasoned skincare lover and you want to re-up on some of your favorites, this is the best time of year to do so. However, not all of them are worth it, and that's why I'm here. Number two, I'm gonna need you to tread lightly. Like, you gotta be on the tippy toes, like treading lightly with who you give skincare gifts to. Like, you gotta have that right kind of relationship with the person to get them certain types of skincare gifts, or be ready to throw hands, because if you offend somebody, they might make you square up, okay? I would say things like moisturizers, like kind of like body skincare sets, as long as it's not like, you know, like body acne skincare sets or anything like that. Things that smell good, with exceptions sometimes. You know, you're pretty good in that area. Now, that said, let's get into these things. All right, so if you watched any other videos, then you know who my guests here are. If you have not, then please say hello to Janet.
Hello.
And Michael.
Hello.
They are my helpers here. They are, you know, with the union, so, you know, they're just gonna sit there and be cute while, you know, I do the work here. So like I said in the other video, Tatcha is an indulgent skincare brand. Like, it's like almost like the perfect kind of skincare brand gift, because the packaging is really nice, the products feel so luxurious, like all of these things that, like, as serious skincare people, we're not really supposed to like care about, but you know, some of us do. Tatcha is it. The other video I showed you some sets that were under $50, but if you have $70 to spend, you're gonna get a 1.7 ounce of the 2-in-1 makeup remover and cleanser, a 1.7 ounce of the rice wash skin softening cleanser, so you can double cleanse, the 1.7 ounce matcha cleanse daily clarifying gel cleanser, a 0.8 ounce of the Essence skincare boosting treatment, 0.34 ounce of the water cream oil-free pore minimizing moisturizer, and 0.34 ounce of the dewy skin cream plumping and hydrating moisturizer. So you get a whole bunch here. Now let me tell you, you know, a little secret. Well, it's probably not really a secret, because, you know, people have been doing this for years. So with some of these pricier gift sets, even some of the less expensive ones, because, you know, we all have different budgets, ain't nobody judging, right? But what you could do is you get one of these gift sets, you open it up, and then you split it up so that you have a bunch of other like mini sets. But then you go to, you know, a place where you can get some like really cute gift boxes or gift bags. You put some like nice confetti or tissue paper in it, you know, do it up really, really nice. And so for the $70 you spend, instead of, you know, just giving it to one person who may or may not use everything that's in there, you know, you make little customizable little gifts there. Or if you're someone who you're like, wait, she said it's an indulgent brand, I ain't never tried that before, I would like to try some Tatcha, then you get the thing for yourself, and you know, you can, you know, go around and try. Now, some of these are more suited for oily skin, and some of them are more suited for drier skin, but you can also think of it as if you live someplace where the seasons change. Like, I have oily skin, but in the summertime I can't use what I would use in the wintertime, and in the winter I can't use, you know, vice versa, right? So in the wintertime I would use something like the dewy skin cream as my moisturizer, but in the summer I might use the water cream, you know what I mean? So anyway, would you get this? Let me know in the comments. It'll be linked in the description as well as up on the screen in YouTube Shopping. And then if you're looking for even more Tatcha, so for $81, if you're looking for something way more specific, you can get a 0.3 ounce of the dewy skin cream and a 1.7 ounce of the indigo overnight repair. These two can pair together to, you know, help restore the skin's barrier and, you know, just be all around indulgent. I gotta find another word than indulgent, but indulgent is such a good word to describe Tatcha. But their products also work really well for people. So would you get this or not? Let me know in the comments. It'll be linked in the description as well as in the YouTube Shopping. Just pop up on the screen for you. All right, next up, Fresh Beauty has some hitters in their lineup. Most recently, I've been obsessed with their Black Tea, what is it called? Black Tea Advanced something night cream. I'll link it below, but love that moisturizer. Just recently ran out of it, and I was like, do I want spend another $100 on that? So, I mean, I wound up going back to my, Old Faithful, Olay microsculpting cream, which was, $30, but also they sent it to me so I didn't have to pay anything. But this kit has some amazing items in it, especially for this time of year. If you're looking for something hydrating and moisturizing. So for $59, you're gonna get the 3.3 ounce of the Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Deep Hydration Toner. I like this toner. Now, yes, there are cheaper, hydrating toners that you can buy. There's so many, especially if you're into Korean skincare, Japanese skincare, you can find so many hydrating toners and essences that are way cheaper than what you would get from Fresh. But if you're into the brand and into this type of presentation, the bottle is just so pretty, and it looks like I'm gonna assume that they're actual rose petals without having to look it up, that they put inside. That just makes it really pretty, and I think you can kind of get that same kind of presentation in the smaller bottle. There's also a 0.6 ounce of the Rose and Squalane Deep Hydrating Oil Infused Serum and a 1.6 ounce of the Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Deep Hydration Moisturizer. So you can kind of do like a hydration layering routine with just these products. So, after you cleanse, your skin's a little bit damp, you start with the toner, then you put on the serum, and then you seal it all in with the moisturizer. So would you get it? Would you not get it? Let me know in the comments. It'll be linked in the description as well as the YouTube shopping up on the screen. Okay, so next up from Sunday Riley, there's their Go to Bed With Me Anti-Aging, set. Right? Now, normally I'd be a little iffy about you buying a gift set with so many skincare products in it because, quite frankly, some of y'all just get beside yourselves and use too many products, and then something irritates your skin, and then you don't know what it is, but then you keep using more products, and then it just keeps getting worse, right? Like, some of y'all can't help yourselves. That's why I'm here. That is why I'm here to rein you in, right? However, and I almost didn't put this on the list, but then I thought this could still work. So it's $93, and you're gonna get a 1 ounce of the Ceramic Slip Cleanser, which I don't think I've tried yet. I'm not quite sure if I've tried that. 0.3 ounces of the Pink Drink Firming Resurfacing Essence. I don't think I've tried that either. 0.5 ounces of the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Tried that, love it, have gotten it in PR, have rebought it numerous times. 0.5 ounces of the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. 0.3 ounce of the Luna Sleeping Retinoid Night Oil. 0.27 ounce of the 5 Stars Retinol and Niacinamide Eye Serum, and then a 0.5 ounce of the Eye Ceramide Moisturizer with Vitamin F. The Eye Ceramide Moisturizer I have used for, definitely something that I could only use in the winter time. Not even during the hot months at night, because it'd be a lot with a big old hot cream, and you kind of sweat or whatever. But that Eye Ceramide Moisturizer is really nice, but me, my oily skin, they gotta be in the winter time when I use that. But you get all of that. But I think that you can break this down into 2 to 3 smaller gift sets. Again, like I don't know if I mentioned this in this video. To be totally transparent, as you can tell by the way that I'm sitting in the same spot and wearing the same thing, that I'm filming 3 of these videos back to back. But if I said it already, my bad, you hear it again. Sometimes y'all be skipping through the videos anyway. But you get some really cute, presentable gift bags or gift boxes. You do it up really nice, and then you can kind of break this up into, 2 to 3 smaller gifts. And then it's like, wow, this is like so amazing. It looks like you put a lot of effort in, because you did. And people will appreciate that. Would you get this? Let me know in the comments. It'll be linked in the description box along with everything else, as well as in the YouTube shopping. All right, now this one, I was like, should I put this in this video? But then I was like, the people really love this. And you would really need to love the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, because there's a big dirty stinking tub of it. So this is $85 for 16.9 fluid ounces. Now, here's where I justified putting this in this video, is that if you are somebody who really loves a product and you keep buying it and buying it, that adds up. You can actually wind up saving money by just buying the bigger size. It's a bigger investment, up front, but on the back end, you wind up saving you some money. That's what I would do with the, the Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. And then I would just get the big container, which, was a pretty jagged pill to swallow at first, but over time it's like, okay, it makes sense. So would you get this? Would you not get it? Let me know in the comments. All right, so this next gift is something that you would have to tread lightly, but I still included it in here because I personally thought of a few people who would love something like this. So this is the Huda Beauty Vanilla Miniature Obsessions perfume set. So for $100, you are going to get 4 10 milliliter, which is 0.33 ounce minis of some of Huda Beauty's best-selling, well, I think these are all of their vanillas, but they could also be best-selling, you know. Vanilla 28, which I love. Vanilla Royale Sugared Patchouli. You're gonna also get the Utopia Vanilla Cocoa, which one time I bought for my niece Donna, and it was so funny because she, you know, I got nieces that are close to my age. I'm 43, and one of my nieces is 40, and the other one's 39, and then I have a niece that's 30, but the 30-year-old's not that close to my age, but you know what I'm saying. But anyway, I was trying to figure out what to get her for her birthday, and so I was asking her sister, my other niece, and her mom, and they were like, oh, she likes coconut, and she likes things that are, what was the color? Whatever the color of the bottle is, she likes that color too. And so when I saw the Utopia Vanilla Cocoa, I was like, oh, that's perfect. But I was like, oh, is she gonna like the fragrance? And she loved it. So that was like a really perfect gift. So if you have people in your life who like vanilla, this might be something to, you know, to look into. Or if you yourself are a fan, then this would be perfect for you. Would you get this? Let me know in the comments. It'll be linked in the description box as well as pop up on the YouTube shopping. Now, if this video was too rich for your blood, I hear you. So check out this video right here where we talk about some Sephora gift sets that are $50 or less, or this video right here, which we talk about some Ulta gift sets that are $50 or less. Either one you choose, I'll see you there.